So hello guys, CJTV again. Welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to tell you Pika Finance. Our topic for today is how to buy Pika Finance. So what is Pika Finance? Pika Finance is the world's first meme token governed and built by the international Pokemon fan base. It is decentralized, deflationary, and most important of all, a meme. So, this Pika Finance is evolutionary of NFTs. If you are not aware about NFTs, you can search in Google. NFT is non-fungible tokens. So you can search Pika Finance. I will put the link below so you can research there. So back to the topic, how can we buy Pika Finance? So first of all, guys, you have to create wallet in Trust Wallet or SafePal. So today I'm using SafePal wallet. So first step is you have to buy or you have holdings of BNB. So what is BNB? So this is a Binance coin smart chain. So where do you buy this? So go to Binance and you trade your USDT to BNB. So that's one of the fastest way to buy BNB. So you transfer the BNB to your SafePal or Trust Wallet. So the next step that we will do is you will go to BNB Smart Chain, and the second step is you will go to the D apps and search for the pikafinance.io. So if you search the pikafinance.io, you click go, and the first you will do is you should connect your wallet to your SafePal or Trust Wallet. So you will click here. There will be a sign that say here that you should connect, or you will connect to the SafePal or your Trust Wallet. So you click here and click your Trust Wallet or SafePal or BNB Smart Chain. So if you click that, it will directly connect it to your BNB Smart Chain. So as of now, my investment in Pika is 150, and now as you can see, it is almost it is doubled already. I bought it on March 30, and as you can see here, it's already $332. Now I'm buying more because I know that this NFT project or the Pika Finance has potential to reach $1 or more. So back to the topic, the second step to that we will do is you will click here the three lines and see first the price. So the price is $0.054. So how can we buy this Pika Finance token? So we will click here the wallet. So click your wallet and view on BSC scan. So click that. So you will be redirected here to the BSC scan. So the third step you will do is search Pika. So if you see the first Pika Finance and the contract address of it is the Pika Finance. So if you see that logo, the Pikachu logo, you click that and then scroll down As you can see, we have already burned so much token. So our total supply is already 6 million now. Before the supply is 10 million, I think, if I'm not mistaken. And our holders before is on 500 holders. So this 1,200 holders is, we are very lucky because we were here. We were still in the exploration of the Pika Finance. So the sixth step is we will swap it. Yes, the last step is we will swap it. So you will confirm this, right? So as you can see, the transaction cannot succeed. So don't worry, we will adjust the slippage tolerance to 1%. So you will click here the settings, if you see that settings, and then we will click the 1%. So again, we will click this swap. Yes, yeah, as you can see, it goes through, and then transaction submitted. It is already submitted. So go back to the menu. So we just wait for the transfer to the Pika Finance. So as you can see, I have already received it. So as you can see here, 1,536 Pika has been already credited here to my Pika. So now, as you can see here, it doesn't have a value. So how can you see the value here? So go to the apps again and click here, search pikafinance.io, and then go. Make sure guys pala na dapat pagka-search nyo ng Pika Finance.io, dapat nakaset po siya sa BSC. Click nyo lang po itong logo na ito. Ayan po, BSC, and then go. Make sure na nakakonect po siya sa BSC. Ayan po. And then, scroll nyo lang po. Dito nyo na po makikita yung value. Ayan guys. So, as you can see dito, yung 7,676 natin is $415 na. So, ayan guys. Yun lang. Ilalagay ko yung link ng group, Facebook group natin sa baba, and then join lang po kayo dun. So ayun lang guys, ganun lang kadali mabumili ng Pika Finance. So dun sa group natin nandun lahat yung details, prices, and projects, makikita nyo lahat dun. So Filipino community po tayo. So ayun guys, ganun lang siya kadali kung paano bumili ng Pika Finance. So ayun guys, thank you for watching, and have a good day everyone.